Now we have seen the sequential logic designs and the combinational logic designs and their difference. Now we'll see here in this point the analysis procedure of the combinational logic designs. Means how to analyze the combinational logic designs. In the analysis procedure, we are going to analyze the logic design and we are going to identify the Boolean function representing by that logic design. Now let's take example. Suppose I have a logic design like this. The inputs given to the first AND gate are AB. Output is generating AB. The input given is a CD and this is a Y. The logic design will be given to you and the question will be asked like this. Obtain the Boolean function for outputs of the given circuit. Now when the logic circuit will be given to you in this way, AB will not be given to you. Then what you have to do? You have to first analyze the logic design. After analyzing the logic design, now you have to identify how many input variables are given into the example. Now let's take instead of CD, I have the inputs A bar and B in this case. Now when the logic circuit in this way is given to you, you have to first identify the number of input variables given in a logic design. Your next step is label all the gate outputs. Now in this case, the first gate is generating the output AB, second gate is generating the output A bar, B bar. And finally, the Y is generating output AB plus A bar, B bar in this example. Once you will label all the gates, then after that you have to identify the expression. Now the identified expression is Y is equal to AB plus A bar, B bar. After identification of expression, try to simplify the expression if it is possible. If it is not possible to simplify the expression, then draw the truth table for the given circuit diagram. Now in this example, now the expression is a minimized expression. Now we have to draw the truth table. Now how many input variables are given in the circuit? 2. So 2 input variables. The possible input combinations are 4. 2 raised to n is equal to 4. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. 4 possible input combinations are for the given logic design. Outputs generating are. Now this is my first output Y1. This is the second output Y2. And Y is equal to Y1 plus Y2. Clear? Now in the truth table, what you have to do? You have to label the outputs of the different gates. Now the first output generating is a Y1. Second output generating is Y2. And finally third output generated is a Y, which is nothing but Y1 plus Y2. Clear? Now you have to complete this truth table. Now when the input is 0, 0, what will be the output of a Y1? Y1 is AB. So the multiplication of AB 0, 0, 0. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, what will be the Y1? 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 1. Y1 is completed. Now Y2. Y2 is A bar, B bar. Now when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, what will be the Y2? Y2 is equal to A bar, B bar. So A bar is a 1, B bar is a 1. 1, 1, 1. Then A bar, B bar. A bar is equal to 1, B bar is equal to 0, 0. Then 0, 1, 0. Then 0, 0, 0. This is a Y2. And what is a Y? Y is plus Y2. Now Y1 and Y2 we have in the truth table. Now we have to identify the Y. 0 plus 1 is a 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 1. Now this is the truth table for the given logical design. Now when the question is asked, obtain the Boolean functions for the outputs of the given circuit. Now what you have to do? First, label the gates of the given circuit, identify the Boolean function, try to simplify the Boolean function. Once the Boolean function is simplified, then draw the truth table and identify the outputs of the given function. This is a second step. Clear? I hope all you have cleared the analysis procedure of the combinational logic designs.